bit off today. Something down inside me's different. Woke up a little off today. I can tell that something's wrong. A little thrown off today. What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. I'm a little sleepy. I'm just kind of waking back up. Man, the market has just been just chop. So what I would recommend is sorry, just answering a message real quick. Letting everybody know that the Discord, I'm on the Discord. Can you guys hear me okay? I'm kind of mumbling. I'm trying to wake up. Can you guys see the screen okay? Got really confused today. Everyone around me's fucking crazy. I'm a little ticked off today. A little pissed off today. All right. Wow, that is interesting how I'm seeing the okay. I guess that works. Here, perfect. Cool. That is interesting. Hey, thanks, Mitchell. Appreciate you. The hell's up with Live Studio? This is fucking weird. All right. Wow, that is definitely different. Okay, this is gonna be. I gotta get used to this. My screen's a little different here, and I'm not used to it. So, hello, Rick. How do I do this? How do I? I mean, it looks like it's a phone on my screen. It's not the way I'm used to seeing it. Right, like preview mode or something? What did I click? Oh, there you go. Mobile preview. That's how it... Yeah, see, I'm seeing it like this. I'm seeing it like you guys are. How do I get that shit off there? Is your guys' screen okay? Good morning. Good morning, Lola Rod. Your guys' screen okay? Your guys' screen normal? Yeah? Alright. Oh, fuck. If it's normal, then we'll go with it. Good morning, Night Owl. Good morning, user. Alright, let's get this. Today's a tricky day, guys. I cannot tell you enough how tricky this shit was this morning. I've been up since like 1 o'clock. Since 1 o'clock, and I'm got a little bit of heart palpitations going on. I'm not feeling so hot. Just remember, take your time, don't rush it, and let's keep an eye on this one real quick. This one's already basically tapped all the targets on the watch list. Man, it faked out good right here. So market opened, right? It dumped. This thing dumped. This thing was on the watch list. It dumped and then slowly came back up, hit 614. I was pissed off because it was literally like 6 cents away from TP1. I was like, damn it, man. And then it started fading like everything else did this morning. Everything. Look at this. You guys will get to see how I did trading later on today. But I mean, everything pumped and dumped right away. I'm not going to make this about pump and dumps. I am going to make this about finding some runners and some good targets for you guys. But I can't even remember what the fuck the name of this stock was. It was SL something. But it does remind me to mark my charts, the ones that I don't ever want to fucking touch ever again in my entire lifetime. I gotta remember to mark them red. If you guys want to do that, that's pretty simple. You just go up to your drawing tool, you draw this, you get this little square thing, right? You go up, I don't know, you can go like 24 or whatever, click, drag. What is going? Okay, something's fucking everything up. This is interesting. I'm really confused right now. So you drag this little square over, right? You click wherever. You click this little gear button. Click that. And you, like, I got this one right here, 40. So I can go 50, and then I'll go 0.01, 0.01. And then as you can see, it covers the entire screen. And I could extend to the right, and I'll go done, and I'll make it red. I'll go with like a dark red or something so it doesn't like bother you. But this way I know that I'm never gonna fucking touch this stock again. You know, that kind of thing. It's a great way of doing it. I hope you guys learned something right now. Because that, to me, makes a lot of sense. Alright, so anyways, so not FGI. FGI is a decent stock here. Doing alright. It's doing alright. Okay, let's get back into it here. What is moving other than FGI? What else is moving? If you guys have questions, throw them up in the chat. Now it's a little harder because these questions do disappear. And I don't know how the hell I freaking. It's got to be in settings. I must have clicked something or something. Mobile view? Is that what it is? Studio view. There we go. Ah, back to normal. Yeah, let's go. Just kidding. All right. Okay. Sorry. All right. Let's go. Let's get this. Man, that's so much better. I can read your comments now. I don't have to squint. Can you guys hear the music? Oh, can you guys hear the music? What's up, Mitchell? GXAI Billy. Bigger GXAI move a little bit earlier. Yeah, it did. No, you can't hear the music. What the hell is going on? All my stuff is all screwed up. Now you've gone away. How about now? Barely? That should be better. Remember, guys, today we got PPI at frickin' 5:30. PPI at 5:30. So that could be a reason why everything's a little screwed up. I'm not giving you any more targets on FGI right now. Let's check this SLGB. Let's make it bigger for you, because I don't know if you want that. What? No. Yeah, that's SLG. Let's go SLGB. There you go. So SLGB's doing a typical pattern here. It's just crawling up. VWAP's following it up. Nice, good moves. I already got a target on the screen for you on SLGB. 97.87. But you need more momentum. You need more momentum. This isn't it. This isn't it. There's going to be a pullback. Yeah. Yeah. Hit the like, the follow, and the share. Let's go. I'm here for you, guys. I'm here for you. Ask any question you want to ask. Yes, I do like long walks on the beach. Yes, I'm a regular male. Yes, I go by he and him, right? That's, yeah. Yes, I like coffee. Yes, the bottom of my cup is a middle finger. Yes, my cup says have a nice day. Can you check ONDS? Yes, ONDS, of course. ONDS. Here you go. 1DS currently trading sideways. Not really doing a whole lot. Volume's doing okay, but it's not doing a whole lot. Alright, take this, make it in a 5-minute chart. You can see it even better. You can see better if you do a 30-minute chart. And then now just draw your lines. Watch. Stretch this shit out. Make it easy. Make it easy on you. Everything else is hard. Why make this hard on yourself too? Then you just take your lines and just draw yourself your lines. Okay, where would be a point of, well, it's hit there, it's hit there, it's hit there. Okay, perfect. So now we know where our resistance is. There's our resistance. Then you go over here. Where's our support? Well, that looks like our support right about there. So you draw another line right there. Make that green. There's your support and your resistance right there. The MACD's currently trying to go down. You've got these nasty little candles here. Go back to, let's say, a 5-minute chart now and look at that. You've got a perfect little diagram of what you need to look at. This is ONDS, where you're looking at it. Halfies. So take a look here. So above VWAP, I feel okay. Your first support is at 1034. Okay, breaks 1034. Your next, and in my opinion, one of your last supports is going to be right here at 10. What is this? 1029, 1028, something like that. There's your support there. So right now, currently, it's in consolidation. ONDS is in consolidation. I hear they got earnings today. So is that the one that was it ONDS? Yeah, it was ONDS. They have earnings today. Yeah. Oh. LNSR. And let's see what LNSR is doing. LNSR. Look at that. Boom. All right. Let's see. What am I doing? What am I? 30 minutes. Let's screw this up. Let's not screw this up. Let's go. There you go. There's a gap at 953 here on this one. All right. Needs to break. It looks like 830. You've got a little bit of resistance there. We'll go ahead and call that TP1 830. You've got support on this one at about 750. Right at the moment, there's that one. If it breaks that, then you got this guy right over here. Monsters are real. Currently tapping support right on the head here. I'd say about 716. There you go. There's support right there. There you go. So there's support. Okay, so now that it's below that, needs to break through this 750. I'd even say needs to break through 780 to prove itself. Once it can break through those two lines, then I'd say 830 is in play, possibly even that 950 there. But that's just, again, it's opinion. It's not science. It's just looking at a fucking chart and reading it. So this is LSNR. Already hit 850 once on this push, then pulled back and pushed again. Super low volume. Only 285,000 shares on this thing. Its average is 66,000 and floats 9.89. Did I just see OFAL pop up again? Yes, I did. OFAL popped up again. Here's OFAL. All right, where's OFAL going, right? Well, look at that. So yesterday it created a couple little gaps here. I wouldn't particularly say that it's going to go to those gaps. I could say that it probably might hit 197 again. That's going to be your target. 197 picks up momentum. If it picks up momentum and can tap that 197, you might get 222 after that. Just remember, there's a lot of bag holders sitting up there. Look at it. This thing hit 379 and fucking dumped. And like, not just like barely like, hey, you know, we're just gonna dump a little. It fucking smacked. It smacked hard. Now, I know you guys are probably watching my videos going like, holy shit, Jay, what the fuck is going on with you with this trading you're doing? Well, I've got a little something to tell you guys later on. I've been doing a little bit of digging in my process and how I'm trading and all that stuff, and it's all, guys, it's all literally just, it's a story, and it's gonna end with a happy ending. Not me giving you a happy ending, but you know what I'm saying, all right? Not a Vegas happy ending. God, that's dirty. All right, so here we go. Here we have XHLD yesterday on the little shitty live that I couldn't do at my uncle's house because fucking internet sucks. Hey, thanks for the confetti. Mitchell, appreciate you, man. Thanks for hanging out. So as you guys can see, this is pushing for 543 again, 547. What was that? 547, I think. No, 543. Pushing 543 again, just like yesterday. I told you guys, if it can break that 547 with good momentum, get up to about 554, break through that 54. There's another possibility it might get to 622, but it needs a lot more volume than 60,000 shares, guys. 60,000 shares on 10 million float just ain't gonna cut it. OFL burnt you yesterday with its halts. Yeah, it burnt a lot of people with those halts yesterday. Heck yeah, it did. Heck yeah, guys, I am not having a good fucking trading week whatso frickin' ever. But again, there's reasons behind it, and you can call them whatever you want, excuses, but trading is a different beast. It's not like when, you know, you're angry and you go in a ring and you get in like a boxing match with a dude, or you just take out your anger and you feel better and everything's good. Trading is a whole different beast. Trading is really different. And I've been doing it long enough to where I've looked at like past results, previous years, that kind of stuff, and like I'm analyzing a bunch of shit, and you know, it's helping a little bit, but again, like, it doesn't matter. I can put the rule on the fucking screen. You know, I could put the rule on the screen. I could say, look, 1, small position. 2, must have volume. 3, don't chase. 4, you know, ... I can put that on the screen. I can make it red. I can do all this, and yet I'm still gonna fuck up. I'm still gonna fuck up because mentally I'm not fucking clear right now. I've been really working on small position roll. Dude, you've been doing good too. Keep that shit up. Honestly, if I can help one fucking person with my shitty trading, with my little story, with my little line, the shit that I'm doing, it's well worth it. I was on a live with Jay Diamond yesterday, and I know he fucking loves me to death. He got under my skin a little bit yesterday when he was saying something, but he was goofing off, so it was okay. But it irked me just a smidge, made me a little, no, there's no multi-guest on this live, not at this moment. No. Big John SKT. Oh, socket. Yeah, so socket's pushing up right now nicely, so that's good. You can see it's had resistance here before yesterday, exact same spot. So yeah, you know, honestly, like, it might even be the same the same idea, the same thought process behind what Jay was saying yesterday on his live, that, you know, maybe we just know too much. Maybe if we just fucking play dumb, maybe we'll do better. Fuck no. No. He was screwing around when he was saying that. All right, so there you go. So it's trying to break through this 196, $2. Breaks through $2, needs to break 204. Then you might get somewhere in the realm of 227. Excuse me. Guys, trading for 8 months in the red. Trading for 8 months in the red isn't going to get fixed overnight. Like, I'm also having a really bad week right now. Okay? It's all because I'm in my own head. I'm too scared. I'm too greedy. I'm, you know, too emotional. I got too much shit going on. All that plays a part in trading. These are all gaps up here. So yes, what was it? 1, 2, 3 days ago. 3 days ago, it hit 397. We were watching it 3 days ago. That's right. Suck it. Hey guys, go ahead and hit the like, the follow, and the share. Sharing is caring. Keep it up. Let's go. Remember, PPI 530 today. That's the producers index. Producers price index. We had CPI yesterday. Came in pretty much flat as expected. Didn't really change much. We're looking for PPI to kind of come in, you know, come in a little cooler. It'd be good. That means that people might want to throw some money in some risk, which means penny stocks. All right, so you guys got this 227. This thing needs to really pick itself up here. Pick itself up by the bootstraps. Okay, it needs to break $2. Look at where it had trouble with. It had trouble with $2. Psychological level of resistance, $2. Okay, then you got 227. That's your target. When you get a little bit more time under your belt here, 424 right now, so we got about 25 minutes into what I would say is the safer part of trading. Just pulled $7 from OFL. Thank you, Jrock. Hey, no worries, man. Good job. Good job, Captain. You're doing good too, man. You keep it up. You keep it up. You keep it up. All right, see that? That $2 was too much of a risk. All right, they didn't think it was worth $2. So maybe what it'll do is maybe this thing will come back down. Maybe this thing will come back down to 152 and bounce back up. Little gaps up here created. Lots of bag holders sitting in that one. You got FGI trying to bounce up here off of volume weighted average price. Now you've got a little bit of information on the screen here. So can we do 5-minute candles? Yes, we can. All right, that looks good. Stay above $8. Stay above $8. Keep pushing and draw ourselves a little trend line off the 5-minute here. Go off this little guy. Go off this little guy right here. So that is your trend line on this guy right here. Don't worry about that guy. That's just, I don't know. Don't worry about it. But there's your safe line right there. That is your safety line. All right, don't overthink it, guys. If this thing starts pushing below VWAP, it pushes below VWAP. Let's say what's V up right now, 740. If it pushes below VWAP and then hits the 720 right here, and does not automatically bounce back up, honestly, fucking, I'd say I'm out. I'm done. What's up, Jonathan? That's what I'd say. You know, has to get back over 8, or not mess with it under 8. Keep hitting the like, the follow, and the share, guys. You guys are doing great. We'll keep looking for other stocks here that are moving. All right, so OFL right now. I guess I can give you guys another target on this one. I'd say about 922. I'd say about 922 on this one, right about there. So these are extended targets. The targets on the watch list were there. Targets on the watch list was entry 550, 557, stop 515, take profit 1, 620, take profit 2, 685, take profit 3, 775. Extended target was 875. Well, we almost got that one. So we're gonna move it up. We're gonna move it up 922. All right. Just so you guys know, there is a website if you guys want to go to the Jrockstocks website. There's some good information on there for you. This is what it looks like real quick. All right, here's jrockstocks.com. All right, you guys want a track record? There's my track record. All right here. Let's move that up there a little bit. There you go, track record. There's the Discord. How I did on the Discord does not include verbal alerts from live streams. There's my Weeble prediction, 77.9%, and then my watch list accuracy up until the 8th of August. All right, you have the Learning Center and helpful links. That's free for people that just become members of Jrockstocks. Now, if you actually subscribe to the watch list blog and the Discord, which is right here, you would just hit that. $49.99. You get all of it. You get Discord access. You get freaking watch list. If you want to know about me, right here. All right. If you fucking tee off on a stock that I called out for you, and you feel like you're in the giving mood, and you want to support your broke trader, then you got the Cash App right here. Cash App is the $ Jrockstocks. All right. Trap detector. This is for people that sign up. But honestly, look, if you tee off on a stock that I put out there for you, just sign up for the watch list. All right. Learning Center and helpful links. Again, that's free stuff for you. All right, let's see. Let's get that 922. All right, there we go. We got a new high. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful how that works? Isn't that beautiful how that works? Nice little double bottom here. Gave you a little high. Remember, don't forget to take profit into strength. That's something I fail to do a lot. I've got a video that's going to come out that I'm going to do, and this will give you guys a lot of insight into how I've been trading this year, this entire year to date. And I mean, it's got some pretty good stuff, and I can teach you how to figure all that shit out yourself as well. Help you figure out what times you're trading the best, what you're doing most often. Ooh, there we go. LNSR coming back up here. There you go. What did I say? Support. Look at that. Right around in that right area there. That was your support. Okay, 750. Needs to break through 750. 784. Let's see if we can get that 830 again. And maybe give you a new high. That volume's starting to pick up. You can see 420,000 shares. Still light on a 9 million float. We still need more volume. But that's how quick these things move with low volume and pre-market. God, last night I was having a hard time falling asleep. I was going through my old videos that I posted on TikTok, like back in 2021, like AMC, GME. Fucking what happened to that guy? That guy used to trade like a beast. I don't know what happened to him. Here's YXT again. Boom, there you go. That right there, that is a previous gap, previous line where the gap was. It just nailed it. 344,000 shares traded so far on a 1.1 million average LIMN. All right, I'll get to it. LIMN right now is at 14 cents. So let's take a look. Here you go. Here's the LIMN. All right, quick pump. Good volume, 17 million. Float, 44 million. That's a little high. Whoopsies. All right, let's take a look. All right, so as you guys can see, it's at an area where it's had a lot of resistance in the past. So it breaks this resistance. I mean, it's not going to be like a huge run. 18 cents possible. 18 cents possible if it continues this momentum. Keeps building. I mean, it just put on 3 million shares in that short period of time of looking at it, talking about it. I'd say I would watch support at 13 cents. That is your support. FGI 834. Come on, FGI. All right. Breaks this support. Your next one's going to be about 1246. So that is your next support. All right. So let's see if it can break. If it can break this little freaking 15. What is it? 1570. Yeah, 1570, 77. It has a chance to get up to that 1861. Breaks 1861. It's going to bump its head on 20. 20 is like the 50 when you're going when you're on a stock that's a little bigger. So like 50 cents is like the 20 cents on something like this low. Yeah. Yep. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. So here it is lined out for you guys. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 1861, 2052, and 2420. Those are your targets for LIMN. FGI is pushing. Let's go, FGI. Come on now. We got that 922 target. Let's go. You guys heard it here. I called it out. We'll see. We'll see if it wants to get there. Look at that. A little bit of an inverted head and shoulder pattern there. You got a shoulder here. You got the head and you got the other shoulder here. Just needs to break through 865, 870. And I think we'll be able to tap that 921, 922 right there. Let's go. You guys are making money. Either sign up for Jrockstocks or cash at me all of it. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Oh man. Oh, totally kidding. Come on, baby. Let's get that. Let's get that 922. 922. Push on up. There's 9. There's 9 right there. There's 910. There's 912. There's 917. Frick, we're so close. We're so close. 4 pennies off. With 4 cents. Oh, wait a second. There it is. 922. Look at that. All right. Celebration, right? All right. That was good momentum right there. That fucking literally tipped. It tipped it. Look at that. Couldn't have called it better. I mean, give me a hell yeah or something in the chat. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I don't think, honestly, calling targets, I don't think you could beat it. I'm fucking pretty spot on when it comes to reading and calling targets. I just can't trade with this shit. FGI target. Fucking sick. 922. You know, I called on XHLD. XHLD, I called this shit yesterday, and I believe that target was 622. I believe that was 622. I think I saved that as 622. Come on. Oh my god. Really? Really? Just atomic wax? Oh, Captain said schmeckles. But really, just atomic wax, put some fireballs? There's 55 of you in here? You mean to tell me there's 55 fucking freeloaders in here that can't put fucking fireballs in the chat? Come on now. Even YouTube. I have what, like 3 people on YouTube fucking. I got 2 people throwing out, well, 1 person throwing out fireballs. I know, Night Owl. That's what I'm saying. You literally tied 53 people on TikTok. Oh, there we go. There we go. Unlimited. There you go. Atomic Wax hot dog. Captain. Let's go, baby. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. All right, next target on this thing. Let's go 87, 987. Right there. That's close enough right there. So there's your next target on this one. Now, remember, these are already extended targets. So my extended target on the watch list was 875 to 10 bucks. Yeah, I'd say that's good call there. So inverted head and shoulder pattern wins there. Here you go. I'll mark it out for you just real quick so you see it, just in case you don't. There's the shoulder. Here's the head. Here's the other shoulder. And basically it's a slanted neckline. So here, boom. All right, just in case you missed it. All right, keep on going here. Keep on looking. LIMN tapped 1569 again on 1 minute chart here. Needs to break it. If it breaks it, you'll get that 1861 in my opinion. Not guaranteed, but in my opinion. We got OFL doing a double bottom here, OFAL. Where the fuck did that? Sorry. There it is. We got a little double bottom here on OFL. Yep. Just got to break that 170. Just got to break that 170. Possibly get that 197. It needs to hold volume weighted average price. It's doing that nicely. Needs more volume. I mean, for the float, for the average volume, it's great. But right now on the screen, it doesn't look like it's pumping. There you go. Doesn't look like it's pumping though. The volume's still looking kind of low. Here's this thing pushing up again. There's 1590. Come on, break it, establish above it, and go. LNSR is looking a little bit like an inverted head and shoulder pattern. I don't like that it dipped so far below the volume weighted average price. Again, support. This was a step up. You can see that. Possible up and handle, maybe even up handle. Needs to break that white line there, and you'll have your 830. Here you go. Let's see. The volume's still picking up. It's only at 518,000. I would love to see this at 1 million. At 1 million, it should be able to hit that. Let's go, guys. Hit the like, the follow, and the share. Boom. I know I ask a lot. Oh, good God. If you guys aren't getting notifications to come on the lives, it's probably because you're not commenting or liking any of my videos on TikTok. That's probably it. Trying to get back into the thousands, man. I used to get thousands of views on my videos. Now I don't get fucking shit because TikTok got bought out by fucking open. There you go. 926. Oh, so it got a little. It tapped a little bit there. Tapped a little bit there. And there's Mark. What's up, Mark? All right. And if you guys are watching this on your cell phones, most of you are, you can tilt your screen sideways and you'll get a better view. You'd get a better view if you tilt your phone sideways. Look at that. Look at that. LIMN trying to push through. It is trying. 1631 there. OFL, if OFL can't break through that, it's going to come back down to about 150, 158, 150. If OFAL cannot break through where it's been having trouble, those three little spots, right here. If we can't break this, then it's gonna have an issue. See this? And right now this one's lower. All right, so what it needs to do to work out, I mean, this could even be a little bit of a cup and handle right here, and then it'll go. Let's see. But it needs to break. It has to break. If it doesn't, then it's coming back down. There you go. There you go. Just like I said. Nice. Not much. 178. We're still waiting for 197. But it's got, like I said, it's got to break that with momentum. It broke it a little bit, so that's great. But it's got to go. Come on, you got to go. ORCL bought to, yeah, Oracle. Thank you. Thank you, by the way. I spaced out on who bought it. All right. We'll keep on looking here. Let's go, guys. Keep hitting those likes, those follows, those shares. What are we at on likes? Holy shit, we're at 16,000 likes. Good job, guys. Woo, we're doing good. We're humming right now. LNSR still kind of chilling here. So we got a little bit of movement. We need more. See, it has to get above that. It has to hold above it. Not come back to VWAP like it did. I mean, that's not okay. But look at your MACD. Your MACD's already starting to look a little salty. FGI pushing hard again. Let's go, baby. Let's get that second target. Second extended target. Careful, that might be a double top. Right there, that might be a double top. Usually what happens with a double top is it comes fucking tumbling down. Let's get rid of that. So double top, you got 1, 2, and then it comes back down. Does a little step, comes back down. Does a little step, comes back down. Typically what it'll do is it'll stop a little here, it'll stop a little here, and it'll probably come back down to volume weighted average price, which by that time it'll probably be like right here. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, if that is a double top. I mean, shit, I've been fooled before. Has to establish itself above 931. If it doesn't, then it's going to come back down to volume weighted average price. All right, let's see any other tickers. OFAL, FGAI, LIMN decided to just lose its shit. I think that one flat topped you. Oh, it gave you a little shooting star. Give you a little shooting star action here. So there's one top, there's the second top there. Pushed through, but without enough momentum, it decided to come back down on you. Any other tickers you guys want me to look at? I'm going to keep calling them out. Keep going over them real quick. As fast as I can, because come on, Ophel, you can do it. IVDA. So IVDA completely broken. This thing is completely broken right now. Oh, this is socket. Yeah, see, socket broke down. Yeah, socket couldn't hold it. It came down, crashing down. Pay attention to this real quick. Look what happened up here. See those two guys? Yeah, those two are bad. Those aren't good. You said IVDA. Come on, baby. There we go. All right. First off, let's zoom out. Let's see what we're doing. Not healthy. Not healthy. Currently still in an uptrend, but it does not look healthy. On a 30-minute chart, you got your uptrend right here. So 30-minute chart, this is your support, and it's bouncing off of it right now. That's your trend line, your support trend line. Now, you know what? Let me take that previous statement back, because this could be trading in somewhat of a little channel. So you got that little guy, and then you got this little guy right here. Hey, look at that. So here, maybe come back. So this is a little channel you got going here. I'll go ahead and make that yellow, just so we can kind of identify the channels. There, so this is a yellow. It's in the channel. If it breaks that channel, make that a little thicker so we can see it better. If it breaks that channel, then breaks down. That doesn't necessarily mean it's done. It means it might come down to about 40 cents. Okay, if it holds the channel, breaks through volume weighted average price, and you got 56 cents again. Oh my god. Oh. INTC. Alright, let's look at INTC. Keep throwing them out at me. I'll hurry up and get them done for you here. Alright, what do we got here? Alright, FGI hits hit 935. Awesome. We're still a ways away from that that target, that last target there. OFL, there you go. And come on, let's go. Get up there. Alright, MACD on a 30-minute just flipped for you. There you go. Look at that. Ah, 197, it hit 196. I mean, come on, guys. Can I get a hell yeah again? Can I get another hell yeah? Another fuck yeah? Another whatever you want to fucking call it? I mean, hey, thank you, NK. Thank you for the hearts me. Thank you for the arrow, the go popular. And Geopoliticus, thank you for the hearts me. I mean, can I get another hell yeah? Look at that. Fucking target right there. 196. I got 197 on the screen. I mean, that you can fucking call that a target. Bada boom. Bada boom. If I could trade as good as I call targets, fuck, guys, I'd be a millionaire. Oh, Jesus. All right. Too bad, so sad. Come on, get that 1 penny. Let's go. There it is. There it is right there. There's 198 right there. All right. Nice. Good movement. So you're at 10 million, almost 10. You're 10 and a half already. All right. Next target's 222 on this one. FGI came down. All right. Here we go. So is this also trading in the channel or no? That's the question here. All right, we drew this line. This is literally walking up volume weighted average price. We'll just take this line. We'll draw something here for you, kind of give you an idea. Look, so that is your downtrend. So it broke this uptrend here. There's your downtrend on a 1 minute. Now, if you take this and you go, let's say 5 minute, you can actually make this a little better. Give yourself a little. Whoops. Give yourself a little cushion. There's your little cushion right here. So that was your little cushion. It broke through it anyway. Broke through it anyway. Probably if it can't hold right about there, 806, you're probably going to get 791 volume weighted average price. All right. Hell yeah. Thanks, Tommy Gunn. Appreciate it. Let's go, NK. Let's go. Let's go, guys. If you guys made any money off any of these call outs, off any of them, just go subscribe to Jrockstocks for the month. There's your trial. Right? Seriously, $50 to try out Jrockstocks. There you go. Look at LIMN. Boom. What did I tell you? Target 1 acquired. Target 2 coming in. 20 cents. LIMN. Man, I don't know about you guys, but I'm fucking on fire right now. Fireballs in the chat. Hit those likes, hit the follows, hit the shares. Let's fucking go. Oh, man. Target after target after target after target after target. Lolo Rod, you know better than to ask. I'd fucking tell you if I was. You'd see it on my screen. I don't hide that shit from you guys. If I was in it, I'd be in it. You'd see it. You know, bro. Lolo Rod, you've been with me for a long time, man. You've been with me for a long time, since this fucking thing started too, I think. All right, what did I tell you about 20? 20 cents is like the 50 when you're in a stock, like you're sitting there and it's like at fucking 40 cents. Anything below 20 cents, 20 cents is like the $half. Psychological level resistance. All right, here's 1.993, and there's 20 cents right there. So we got target 2. Target 3 is going to be 24.20. We'll see if we can get that. Shit, I might have to share this whole fucking live on TikTok today. Target after target after target. Nail it. Nail it. Let's go. All right, here's FGI coming back down to that volume weighted average price. I told you, if it can't hold this 8, yeah, about 815, 820. If it can't hold it, it's coming back down to 791. That's what I said earlier. Man, OFL hit 199. Look at that. All right, right now in the chat. I'm a grown fucking man, but my wife got me back on something, and it's just I don't know. It's like one of my favorite things to do now after dinner and before bed. In the chat, put what your favorite cereal is. Or, yeah, in the chat, put what your favorite cereal is. Gotta go, fam. Good luck. Take profits. Fuck the Bears. The one squib. Yes, sir. 100%. Frosted Flakes, Lola Rod, Lucky Charms, Captain Toast Crunch, Tom Jeff. Or are you calling out a ticker? What do you, Tom Jeff? Is that a ticker or is that Captain? Fucking shit. Captain Toast Crunch, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. There you go. Yeah, Captain Toast Crunch. Jesus Christ, Jay. What the fuck? All right, we're looking at YXT right now. This was an extended target, 655. Okay, this was an extended target. You guys see we got close there. We didn't get there yet. So this picks up some more momentum. We're only at 500,000, not quite at 500,000 yet. All right, so we got Apple Jacks, Fruit Pebbles, Life. All right, who can guess what my favorite is? Night Owl says Apple Jacks. 2 down, Apple Jacks. Who can guess what my favorite is? All right, so on YXT, we're looking for a break of 550. It breaks 550. More than likely, you're going to hit 597. If it breaks that 550 with solid momentum, you'll get that 597. All right, let's see. Blue Max, Life, 2 down, Pops, Crease, Max. Nope. I'm with Tom Jeff on this one, guys. I'm with Tom Jeff. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Fucking love that shit. That is like fucking catnip. Like since I've been come on, baby. That used to go up for look at Jack. Jack is making some moves here. Only 13,000 shares traded so far today. On a average volume of 889. Vodka Billy. That's funny. Billy Vodka. No. That used to be actually used to be like my second. My first was whiskey. Yeah. All right. So This one here, this one gets going. Let's mark this one out. Looks like they pumped a lot of stuff yesterday in after hours. Reports third quarter earnings. Okay. Jack in the Box reports lower sales. Cuts. Man, I got nasty salmonella poisoning from Jack in the Box. That sucked. Look at this though. It's been a nice little uptrend. Where's it going? Where's Jack going? That's the float. That's it. And for Jack in the Box? Dang. All right. Well, there's a little gap up here at 23. Little gap up here. If Jack wants to get the ball rolling here, Jack has a possibility of hitting that gap. We're gonna go first target on Jack. We're gonna go about 22.16. It's gonna be a target there. First target for Jack. Let's mark this as a gap. I gotta get going here, guys. We're gonna go over to the Discord here in a minute. You guys want to continue the party, you guys subscribe to Jrockstocks.com, and then when you subscribe, I'll go ahead and send you the link to get into the Discord. Make sure that you check your emails, because certain people have gotten in and then not love me some bourbon. Yeah, have you tried Lolo? Do you like Texas bourbon? Ofel. Still pushing that $2. YXT, nice. Yeah, YXT did it. Did it go? Did it do? Oh yeah. Let's go YXT. Let's go. Ah, so close. So close. We got 590. We missed by 7 cents. And MACD better hold up. All right, so right there is your support. 550 is your support. Breaks 550, comes back down to volume weighted average price. That purple line. Son of a biscuit. Come on, man. 590. Didn't get it. Didn't get it. Oh. Tommy gun. Scalp that. Get your scalpel. Oh, what did I tell you? Look at that. Breaks 550, coming back down to the purple line. All right, now let's see some bullish power here. Freaking hold it up above VWAP. Do not fucking break below VWAP. Guys, you got to take your profits quick, man. These stocks are just not fun to play with. They're not fun to play with. Here's a good example of that. Look at that. So it double topped you. Gave you a triple top, actually. At the target, 921, 922, right there. There's the target. Gave you a little bit more. Gave you 935, and then just fucking dumped on you. Imagine getting in like right here at 865, and then fucking riding it up to 930, and then not doing shit with it and let it fucking eat up your profits. Imagine that. That would fucking suck. What's up, Indiana Steve? There we go. We broke 2 finally. OFAL. All right, let's get that 222. We don't like these candles. If we have good momentum, should just work right through it. Oh, look at that. It's 5 o'clock. We hit 20,000 likes. We've had 50 people in here pretty much the whole time. You guys are fucking rock stars. My heart's been acting up a little bit today, so I was actually debating if I could do the live, but then I just had myself, this is now my 3rd cup of coffee. My heart feels better. I took some pills and I took a little nap because I woke up at like 12:30. Fucking idiot. All right, guys, I'm gonna go on over to the Discord. If you guys want to come on over and join me, that'd be fucking amazing. If you haven't yet signed up for Jrockstocks, I suggest you do so. The price right now is $49.99, and that's for Discord access. Hey, YXT, there you go, baby. Target acquired. Look at that. There you go. Bounced off of the VWAP. Look at this. Bounced off of the VWAP. Beautiful. Held VWAP. Fuck yeah. Let's go. Let's go. 611. All right. So again, 655, 657. That's your next target on this one. This is extended. Just got to keep pumping that volume. We're almost at 1 million in volume. All right. So, all right. All right. Let's see. I'll see you guys over on the Discord. All right. Thanks for hanging out. I'll do this again tomorrow morning, 4 a.m. Keep an eye out for my videos. Hit the like, the follow, and the share on those videos, and then you guys will get notified when I come on. There you go. There's 616. Come on, get one more before I get off. Before I go on over to the Discord. Let's see. All right. I'm gonna have to do that shit again with the Discord. Come on, get that target before I go over there. Let's go. Big jump. There's 629, 636, 641, 647. Boom. Target fucking acquired. You're fucking welcome. Oh my god, I haven't seen Calvin Hill forever. It's been so long. He just came in here. Calvin, man, what is up, dude? It has been forever. Forever and ever. I mean, it's not the real one. He's been blocked. He's been blocked. He's been muted forever. All right. I'm going to hop on out of here. Look at this thing. Fucking red. It just hit the next target, 738. Next target after this is 872. That is, guys, fucking 872. That is like fucking Maximus Edimus. All right. Peace the fuck out, guys. Hope you guys made money. Shit. That was fucking rad. All right. Good morning. I'm out of here. Good morning. And end live. Fucking 20,000 likes. Not bad. All right. We'll see you on Discord, Night Owl.